What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jake here, aka BrusHstroKeZ, and I just thought I'd show you this mural that I'm working on, the very first one. I projected the image up here with my projector, which I'll leave a link down below in the comments to. Really awesome projector. I'm just doing our local rugby team's logo here on the side of their clubhouse. Try to take some video of it here going forward. Made a little progress this morning. Getting a little too hot. Come back this evening. Alright, so as you can probably see and tell, I forgot my camera stand the last 2 sessions of painting this, which I got the most work done. So now I'm just going to finish doing some touch-ups and get this baby signed. And it'll be all ready for their big game tomorrow. one done. I'd say not too shabby for my first mural. Pretty happy. And actually, forgot, not quite done just yet. Gotta tag this baby. And of course it starts raining again. Luckily it's just some sprinkles. As soon as I say that, raindrops are getting bigger and bigger. Oh man, big raindrops, better hurry. Alright, I'm going to pack up my stuff before I get too wet here. That's it. Hope you enjoyed. Sorry I missed probably the coolest part, me hand painting a lot of this. Like all this and most of this, but oh well, it is what it is. Hope you enjoyed. Till the next one, keep those brushes stroking.